friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start our new unit, Unit 2, as we know that both Unit 1 and 2 deals with the same question, that is, how are animals different from one another? Today we are going to start our page number 16, Words. Our Unit 2 is about Leo Lily's adventure. But before letting you know about the topic, let's talk about some new words. Get ready. Open up your books, page 16, A part, Words. Let us see what these vocabulary words are. Pine cone, peck, squawk, hunt, fight, worm, escape, berries, creep. Let us know the meanings of these words. Worm, worm. Worms are soft, long-bodied animals without a backbone. You can see a picture. How fluffy, how soft this animal is. These are the worms. They don't have any backbone in them. We can say the early bird catches the worm. These worms are just like a food for these early birds. Berries. Berries. Berries are small fleshy fruits that usually have many seeds. People and animals eat many different types of berries. You can see them in the picture. These are all different types of the berries. Hunt. Hunt. Hunt is to set out to find and kill. Kill those animals like the game animals for food. They needed to hunt deer in order to stay alive. Escape. Escape means either to get away or to get free of something. Everyone escaped from the burning building. Creeps. Creeps. A slow, timid or quiet movement. Cats can creep very quietly. A movement that you show without making any noise is the creeping movement. Creepy movement. Fight. Fight has a lot of meaning in different senses. Here I have written two meanings for you. That is to struggle in a battle, war, battle, or to struggle to get or keep or achieve something, to get something. You fight for that. My brother often fight with me unnecessarily. Now what you have to do is, you have to learn the meanings of these words. Some of these words are left. We are going to find out their meanings in our next lecture. Till then, you learn the meanings of these words. That's all for today.